Antoinette here, and welcome to my channel, Decorating Aunt's Place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I took all of my St. Paddy's Day decor and displayed it all on top of my dining room table. So this is part of a collaboration for which I'm a co-host, and it's called the St. Paddy's Day Tablescape and/or Tabletop Decor Collab. And the other co-hosts of this collaboration are Julie, the Thrifty designer, Creatively Ms. Me with Stephanie, and Liz at Jazigreen Decor Style. And leading this whole collaboration is Lady Phoenix of Really Good Living. So some of the ladies will be doing an actual tablescape, and I've chosen to just decorate a tabletop. This was an open invitation. The playlist will be linked down in my description box for you to go into and watch all the videos in the playlist. I'm so excited to see what everyone has come up with, and I'm going to jump right into and show you what I've come up with. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to start here in this corner before I show you my actual table and just show you how I decorated this little corner table here with some St. Paddy's Day themed items. My sash that says Irish for a Day. And then just some green items there. And then that little headband with the green top hat that you see me wearing in the thumbnail. Now, as we go over to my dining room table, I'm going to show you an overview, and then we'll start off with my most favorite piece of all, this picture here with these beautiful shamrocks. I love this picture. It is hand-painted, made in Portugal, and purchased at HomeSense a few years ago. And here's my greenery that is almost done, so it's a good thing I am filming today. In front of that picture is this really cute plate that has a nice little Irish blessing on it. You can see it says, "May the road rise to meet you, may the wind be always at your back." And all of our collectibles here are on this scarf for St. Paddy's Day, and the scarf is placed on top of this emerald green glitter runner. And then we have this shamrock shaped placemat. That's in the center of our table. And then just some green little votive holders. And you may have seen a prior video I did where I made this tiered tray. I styled it and put it together. That was part of a collaboration. You can see some nice pieces on there. This little Fenton dish right at the front here with this lady, she was ever popular when I posted this video where I made this tiered tray. Everyone loved her. And I know alcohol is not decor, but I did add this bottle of Bailey's on my table. And my little DIY sign that says, "Not lucky, but blessed." And that's truly how I feel. And then this really nice green covered candy dish. I love the shape of that candy dish. In front of that, we have this little pitcher and bowl. And although these are meant to be flowers, the one on the right just reminds me of a clover. I've got my little sparkly shamrocks there, right by my top hat. I have some napkins here, and the gold shamrocks are sort of a shiny shamrock. I think they're sort of a foil. These two pieces here, they're two shamrocks done in sort of a shiplap look. This one on the right is from Dollar Tree, and the one on the left I bought last year at Party City, and I've placed them both in a little plate stand. In front of that is another one of my favorite pieces, this plate here with shamrocks and ladybugs. I love the color of it, the look of it. It's just so pretty. Some more napkins there. And then on this side of the table, we have another Irish blessing, and it's on a cross. And it's a little candle holder, tea light holder. We have this little Irish coffee glass. I probably should have filled it with something so that you could see the writing on it better. And then some more of those sparkle shamrocks. And then I love this little sign here that says "Lucky Me." I don't really believe in being lucky. I just really like the color and the look of that sign. Here's just a really inexpensive little frame there that I DIY'd. And then this really pretty green bottle with some gold trim around it. And all of this is placed on this shamrock wreath, if you will. Normally I would have that up on a door, but because I only decorated my tabletop this year for St. Paddy's Day, I put it on my table. And then we have our little pillow with the green shamrocks and the one gold. And this is my tabletop decor for St. Paddy's Day.